Hey Roblox enthusiasts, tired of those frustrating crashes interrupting your gameplay? We've got your back. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through a reliable method to fix Roblox crashing issues once and for all. Let's jump right in. Now, for step 1, we need to locate Roblox player. Begin by heading to your Windows search bar and typing Roblox player. This will help you find the Roblox player executive file. Now let's go to Windows and type Roblox player. And there we have it. Now, for step 2, we need to access the file location and properties. Right-click on the Roblox player icon and select Open File Location. Now, for step 3, we need to run the Compatibility Troubleshooter. Within the Properties window, navigate to the Compatibility tab. Here, you'll find the option to run the Compatibility Troubleshooter. Click on it. Then you can just try the recommended settings and then you would be fine. You would be fixed. Or you could go to step 4, which is to set compatibility mode. The compatibility troubleshooter will guide you through the process of setting up compatibility mode. Choose the option to run the program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. So run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. There we go. Additionally, enable the option to run this program as an administrator. There we go. Apply the changes. Click OK. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can address and resolve these pesky Roblox crashing issues. With the right compatibility settings, your gameplay experience will be smoother than ever. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gaming tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Now, go ahead and enjoy uninterrupted Roblox adventures without the frustration of crashes.